Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off show captions function in Samsung Galaxy S22. So where to look for our captions, preferences, etc. We need to go to settings, then we are looking for accessibility menu, then hearing enhancements, and here we have our caption preference. So as you can see, we have our captions turned on. What does this function exactly do? We have short explanation here. Caption settings from apps like YouTube and live caption will be applied first. Not all apps support the caption preference on this set on this screen. Not all apps support these settings, so you have to look out for it. But we are turning this function either way, so yeah. That's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.